Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Planner Press on Etsy, and this is going to be used for my traveler's notebook. Oh boy, and this is my second order from her. I really enjoyed her first order, so I knew that I was going to like this as well. I'm trying to dig in without making too much noise. All right, so what did I get? I got some Post-it notes. These say, "Love your life." Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And then these say, "Play all the things." And she has coffee and she has her notebook. It's really cute. And Planner Press. And it looks like she has a .com too, but she's also on Etsy. And this is oh, what do we call these? The little dashboard, or just a nice decorative card. If I can get into it. Oh, this actually is a card. It's really pretty. But I'm going to use it in my traveler's notebook, I believe, is my plan right now anyway. I also got a pocket that fits on the inside of your traveler's notebook, so you can just put stuff in there, and it's made of nice, thick plastic so it won't break, and you can put a picture in there or whatever. I thought that would be fun. I also got some little tabs that have all the months on them, and you can pick your color, and I like how it's printed on both sides. That's interesting though, because it's like backwards when you close it. Huh. Interesting, but that's okay. And then you can pick your tone of metal, and so I have gold, but there's rose gold and silver. This is really pretty. I love these. And then here is one in the rose gold. Or no, this is pink, I think. I don't know, it could be the rose gold. And then I got another one of these. So I have two different sizes of traveler's notebooks. So I got some small and some big. Those are so pretty. I just love them. Beautiful, beautiful. And then these are small tabs. Or no, these are checklists, sorry. I have small tabs. And then these are also checklists. So I got two different kinds of checklists with just bows on them that I think are adorable. And this one looks like it is a rose gold, and this one might be rose gold as well. I'm sorry, sometimes the colors are hard for me to tell which is which, but they're both really, really pretty. And obviously I would recommend this shop, as I have shopped here before. And here is a calendar for March. She gave me a calendar for February when I ordered my last order, so it's cute to have one for March. If I place an order every month, maybe I'll get one for each month, and it's really cute. And she has the weekends highlighted, so I just leave this in my work binder and I put it at the front of the month, and it's just really pretty. So there, that's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you check her out, because her stuff really is gorgeous. I mean, I just love it. It's so cute and pretty and feminine and dainty and just lovely. So check her out, and I will talk with you all soon. Bye-bye.